limit x tends to infinity, x square plus 1 divided by x plus 1 minus ax minus b is equal to 2. Our motto determine a and b. So how can be determined? First of all, if you see very carefully, limit x tends to infinity, take LCM first of all, ax x plus 1 b x plus 1 divided by how much? X plus 1, this will be equal to 2. Okay. Now limit x tends to infinity, here x square plus 1 minus ax square minus ax minus bx minus b divided by x plus 1, this will be equal to 2. So limit x tends to infinity, 1 minus a into x square minus a plus b into x, okay, plus 1 minus b whole divided by how much? X plus 1, this will be equal to how much? 2. Very carefully, look very carefully, okay. After that, if put x is equal to infinitive, then we got infinity by infinitive, okay. But what about right hand side? That is 2. Here define value, but here indeterminate value, indeterminate form. So you can solve with the help of L'Hospital rule or otherwise conventional method also. If you apply here L'Hospital rule, apply L'Hospital. According to L'Hospital rule, numerator and denominator both are differentiated with respect to x. Then we got how much? Limit x tends to infinity, 2 times 1 minus a into x, and here a plus b, and that one 0 divided by how much? 1 plus 0, this will be equal to 2. Okay. Now look, if put x is equal to infinity, if put here x is equal to infinity, then left hand side is infinity, but what about right hand side? That is 2. So this one possible? No. Okay. So only if this one is exists only if 1 minus a this is equal to 0. If 1 minus a this is equal to 0, so 1 minus a is 0, 0 into x, that is 0. So you can say that minus a plus b this is equal to 2. So you can say that this is equal to 2. So you can say that it must be 1 minus a this is equal to 0. So a this is equal to 1. Then limit x tends to infinity. What about that value? 0. So 0 minus a plus b divided by how much? 1. This is equal to 2. So you can say that minus a plus b this is equal to 2. So a this is equal to 1. So you can say that a plus b this is equal to minus 2. So a this is equal to 1 plus b this is equal to minus 2. So b this is equal to minus 3. So what about a? A we got 1 and b this is equal to minus 3. This is the right answer. Make it. Okay. I hope so clear.